Hi everybody, I'm Walt Lewis and we're here with another Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. Today we're going to talk about lift gates. They're usually installed in facilities or locations that have very narrow access and can't accommodate the other types of gates we've talked about. This one in particular uses a counterbalance and a drive motor to help lift the gate up and out of the way. Some people could contend that we could make access inside, lift up the gate by disabling the motor and tying it back. It's a bit risky, so that we have to lift up a heavy gate and tie it back. It's a little bit arduous. The safer course of action will be using a time versus damage principle. We don't have a lot of time, we're going to have to do some damage. Using a rotary power saw, we're going to have to make some cuts as close to the fence line as we can to allow enough space for the apparatus to get our way in at the high points and low points that make the most effective cuts for us, the minimal contacts. Once the gate is disconnected from the setup, we can remove it, drag it out of the way, then all the apparatus can make their access in. A supply line can be laid in, whatever's necessary. It's just a security issue for the facility afterwards. They can still put it back in play by either welding it back in place, using other materials to create a temporary gate, or reinstalling the gate. But for our concern, it's an emergency. It's when the power's out for the drive motor or something else has occurred to keep this from operating for us, and there's no bypass procedures in place. So we can make some cuts, get ourselves in there, and get to our work. For Fire Engineering's Training Minutes, I'm Walt Lewis. Take care, be safe.